Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in the craft journal and I'm creating a single page spread. So I've just added three colours next to each other on my glass mat. So I've used lime, turquoise and peacock, and then using one of the wide brushes, just picking up the blobs of paint on my brush, and then I'm just going to wipe off the excess onto this paper, and then I will keep that and it will get used for other things. So then I'm using the Mosaic Circle stencil, which is from Dina Wakley Media, and I'm just going in with some sky as well, because these colours all work really nicely together. And then I'm just going to pick up some of the other colours that are left on the glass mat. So that was another Dina Wakley stencil with one of the three different patterns on it. Can't remember what that one's called. The other one similar to it is called Mini Favourites. I can always remember that one, but not. I'm just seeing if I can find it. Or was it that one? Shape Mashup. I think it was Shape Mashup. And then I'm just using my sponge and blobbing off the extra paint, that's a very technical term, isn't it, onto this sheet of paper, which then gets put in my drawer of clean-up papers. So this is one of Dina Wakley's chipboard shapes, and I'm actually going to use it as a mask. So I'm going in with Night and holding it really still. It's quite fragile, this one. It's got quite delicate fronds on it, so you need to be very careful if you're going to have a go at this. And I'm just gently dabbing over with the sponge around the shape, not blotting out too much of the background. But one of the lovely things about this technique is that you can still see the lovely colours through the area that you're masking off. So I'm adding those two masked areas onto my page, and then what I'm going to do is then stick the chipboard shape onto the page as well. So then I'm using the black archival ink and Stampers Anonymous scripty text stamp. Don't know what it's called, it hasn't got a name on it. I'm just adding a little bit of text onto that painted background. So at the moment I haven't used any collage papers or anything like that on this. It is just paint and stencils and then this bit of masking. So here I'm just using the Signo Uniball in white and just outlining those shapes, and you can see immediately that just pops those out from the background. It draws the attention because the white is such a great contrast. And then I'm just cutting that element down a little bit, and I'm using the Tim Holtz Tiny Attacher and sticking this in place. You could use double-sided tape, but the pieces on it are so tiny it would be really, really fiddly, and actually the little stapler is the best way to do it. So next I'm going in with my Posca pen, my white Posca pen. I'm just adding my signature dots on the bottom, and I'm also using the Signo Uniball and doing some smaller dots as well. Then I decided I just wanted to make some parts of that chipboard element a little bit whiter, and I think here, yeah, I'm just adding some more dots on there too. So these are some words from one of Dina's collage papers. I think it's from the text collage pack. I am thankful. I'm just cutting them up and I'm sticking those in place using some gel medium. And then I just did a little bit of journaling in the style of some Summit writing down the side of the page. And that was it. That was the finished page. So really quite simple, a simple way to get some pattern and colour onto your page. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope to see you again soon.